Ferrari in the garage. So the time has come. It is August 12th. I sold the 2276 motor. It's going to be picked up here in 2 days, so I got to get it out. We are going to replace it with an L61 2.2 liter Ecotech GM motor. It was used in things like the Cobalt. It can be supercharged, it can be turbocharged. And the one that I'm putting in is the Gen 3. It's the 2007 and 2008 motor. The one that I got is a original overstock motor, so it is brand new, never even been broken or fired yet. If you do want to pick one up to do your project, we do have everything you need. If you try to do it, you're going to be buying a lot of stuff, doing a lot of research, and we have a kit that you can get the motor, the exhaust, the radiator, every part you need, the electric gas pedal, a new wiring loom, a reprogrammed computer, a adapter kit for the transmissions, new flywheel, clutch. It is all in the kit. So if you want that, contact me. We'll get you hooked up. And there goes the engine with the new buyer. Just gonna put it in a Volkswagen Bug and go have some fun. I am actually driving and shooting a video. Kind of thinking that might be illegal, but they've only said don't drive and text, so I never heard anything about driving and doing a video. Pretty sure it's legal. I'm pretty sure of it. So I am heading down to the performance shop to pick up my brand new overstock, new, not reman, it's new, Ecotech L61 2.2 liter 2008 2007 Gen 3. So we are down at the performance shop. Got a whole bunch of crap. Got the brand new Ecotech, never even been fired or broke in. Got the fuel kit, solenoids, fuses, wiring harness, computer, tensioner pulley for serpentine, the neck for the cooling system, got the pipe for the cooling system, O2 sensor, bolts for the adapter plate, and flywheel. I'm a little slow today. It's 117 degrees out here. Cut me a break. Got the I believe it's 100mm throttle body, electric gas pedal, fuel pump, air cleaner system, dust shield, adapter plate, exhaust manifold, and one hell of an awesome radiator. So that is inventory list for today. I will get home and we'll get this project started. We'll see you then. Oh no! Everybody look out! It's out of its cage! Ah! There it is! The beast! The L61 Ecotech 2.2, straight from General Motors. Never been installed in a car, brand new motor. Ready to rock and roll. Let's go.